Hi folks, if all is going well, we are live. We've got two cameras set up here. There's a little bit of a lag between what you see and us real time, so if someone doesn't mind chiming into the comments, can you see us okay, and can you hear us okay? Almighty Hose wants to make sure Ed doesn't ignore him. Hello. Need input. If I could have a nickel for every time somebody says that. Hey Jody. It's working okay. We can see you. Awesome. So the plan is I'm going to tackle the keyboard comments, trying to talk to folks, and Ed's going to commence.
Christmas time. Let's go.
Cool.
Right, first up, a little one here from Chris Will.
Holy cow, comments are flying in. Somebody had asked about a completion date. We're hoping to have a lot of him kind of built by the end of the year. Now, mechanically won't be done, and there's some minor details, but we're well on our way.
Got some cards there. Yeah, with what we're getting from the collaborators, 80 or 90% of what's left of his upper portion should be finished up. Right? Looks like
awesome.
one of his upper arm or lower arm side pieces.
Cool.
Very nice.
Yeah, beautiful machine.
Yeah, great finish.
You want to move on to the next one? I'll kind of show this one off. Then.
Actually, we have a couple earlier ones we've already unwrapped. We'll show those off.
Cool.
From Jeff at Backhand Bikes. Made a couple of the rear wheel caster hubcap cover adapters. Two of these turned out great.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Yeah. And Vincent Cline and Will Baden from
Baden,
yeah, made some of his fingertips and thumb tips here. Probably on that camera would help. Oopsie, no disassemble. This shaft was from Ansonia. You're one
Yes.
someone you met, yeah, the NTMA,
Yep.
NMTV. Yep.
Husband and wife shop in Napa, California. Do some really nice lathe turning work and put that together. So we appreciate that from Ansonia.
All right. STRE Designs. That's Nicholas Ostrem.
Okay. No. We'll try not to do that again.
Looks good.
Awesome.
Oh yeah, one of his neck pivot pieces. Sweet.
Julie's walking out. Are we in trouble?
How we doing?
We're good. Okay. Awesome. It's funny. I don't really get camera shy, but doing live videos is yeah. So
stickers right.
we are not looking for any more parts at the moment. Thank you though to everybody who has asked, and this has been so cool that we're going to do this again. Whether it's more, whether there's another version of Johnny 5 or some extension of them or a new project, we will be sure to reach out and collaborate more.
Right.
Yes, we hire interns. Go ahead.
Let's go. Box here, Michael Nicholas. That's a SITHECH Customs. Okay, I'll leave that there as long as I can then, yeah. Got some stickers first off. It's like his wrist pulleys, including an extra one. Cool. Very nice, yeah.
Awesome.
Little cable activate. The part we made on the TRT
the
goes
trunnion.
on that.
Awesome.
Cool, thanks.
Yeah, if you watch, if anyone's watching this live stream and hasn't seen Short Circuit, hang up the live stream and go watch Short Circuit. But there's a scene in the beginning that shows like old NC programs, and you can see the wrist joint moving, which is pretty cool.
Lottie Fabrication. Sweet. Another, looks like side piece for one of his forearms. Looks great. Okluma. Oh yeah, I see the logo's different. Okay, Okluma. They make flashlights.
Julie's telling you via the chat to put the parts when they're finished closer to the webcam.
Closer to the webcam? Okay. This is the little Geneva drive for his tool changer arm.
Oh, awesome.
What advances. Pretty sure they used a live tool lathe for that. How's that, Julie? Let us know. MJS Engineering. I wasn't able to find them based on the Instagram names I had. So if you're out there, let us know. Oh, Maxwell Simro. Okay, that, yeah. Rings a bell.
We're getting more input closer to the webcam. In fact, I'm going to move the webcam.
Okay. I think these are also a part of that wrist pulley assembly. There you go. MJS Engineering.
Yeah. Just tip
It's
this
good.
down.
Oh, got some engraving there.
Are we doxing this person? No. Okay.
Yeah. That's it. All right. Brian Roquemore, Power Move Engineering.
We just moved the webcam in, so hopefully you can see the parts better now. If you didn't see our Instagrams, literally right behind the cameras, the Haas HFO tech is here installing our new ST20Y. We'll turn the camera around later, but it's just kind of, actually here. Well, I don't want to move it, but we got a lot going on, which is awesome.
Okay, this awesome looking logo. How's that look on the webcam? Oh yeah, that looks better. Yeah. Can't quite remember where this goes. I think it's either on his neck or his waist, but it holds a motor that turns a pivot joint. Looks great. Matt Blackwell. That's a heavy one.
Cool.
Uh-oh, powder coat tape.
What? Oh, Julie delivers the Norseman. You have to stay off camera.
Oh, that would help. Mine's a little dull. Okay, this is a cruel trick.
What?
Wrapping it in powder
Cruel
coat
trick?
powder coat tape. I'll finish unwrapping this later, but thank you. That looks
We
cool.
have J5 Guru equals Johnny 5 Expert. Thanks. Do we have AVE's part?
I don't think so. I
You
don't.
joke,
I wouldn't
yeah.
know by his name, but yeah, I don't think so.
Thanks.
Right, yeah, and he did some awesome engraving.
Yeah, AVE did a part.
Shoulder pieces.
Nice. Oh,
Yeah.
look at that.
Yeah.
You can't get them open? I'll
These
try.
ones are yeah.
You keep going.
Okay, superior technology.
So I'm excited because there's been some really cool folks that have gotten in on this project. The household names, the Alec Steeles, the AVEs. We've got a surprise one that I don't want to share until it really happens. But I also want this to be cool because it's everybody. You know, not everybody has a channel like that. So it's cool to get everybody in on this. We had so many people that said they had just got their first little machine or benchtop machine and they're making parts, which is cool. AVE's video is out on YouTube. It's a
Part of his neck channel. Yes, this. I think he's a part of the shoulder pivot mechanisms, or the hug. He has a hug mechanism in his shoulders. Anodized, then engraved. That looks great.
yeah, that's sweet.
I like that color. It's deeper than you usually see with blue. Anodized.
Julie's bringing me something.
Notes? Oh. Okay. Thank you. Right. One from Easton at Moria Manufacturing.
Here's the engraving. Don't knock that over.
Huh?
It's there.
There's a delay. I think this is a. Ooh, that anodizing looks fantastic. This is a bearing cage for his wrists, I believe. Someone else is making the other side. Very nice black anodize on that. Juan March. A nice little thank you inside the box for the YouTube videos. You're welcome. Thank you. These are pivot mount blocks for his neck pneumatic hydraulic mechanism.
Here's that part earlier today, or from the really good finish on that.
Jacksonville Precision Manufacturing.
Sweet. Nice job on the engraving. I think we asked Jimmy to make a part. I gotta
He's
follow
making a
up.
part. Yeah,
Okay.
he's supposed to.
Yeah. It'll save the rest all over it.
All right. This one from. This is Ignite Digi in Australia.
Oh,
Yeah,
awesome.
they did some great film work. For
They did
us.
a great job. Hand that to Julie and see if she can post a comment or the link. Hand this.
Okay.
Go look at their return label and Google their YouTube. I think you can find the video they did. It's awesome. Throw it in the comments.
Okay, packaged for sale. That's a.
That's awesome.
Okay, I think these are either thumb or finger base joints.
Shout out to these guys for sending parts from Australia. I think that's the record for furthest away. Hey, they're on the chat right now.
Hi guys.
Okay.
This one's from Peachtree Protective Covers. I think I see some Kaizen packaging here, and I like it. Yes.
Oh, look at that. What are they?
I think there's some little blocks for his neck mechanism.
Are they still wrapped? Or
Yeah,
did
they're wrapped. I think they're wrapped in paper.
These look great. Made by Chris F. That's awesome.
I feel like I'm unwrapping a bullion cube. I'm tiny.
Oh, Ed, go put your lab coat on.
Huh?
Where's your lab coat? Where's? Oh, it's hanging out.
Was it Chris?
No, it was actually Robert Van Rees is upset that you're not wearing your lab coat. I don't own a lab coat. I don't know who you got to call around here to get a lab coat.
McMaster sells them. That's where we got ours.
Oh.
All right, next up, Reboot Engineering, Adam Sera. Cool. I think part of his shoulder mechanism. Looks like the engraving might be, can't tell if that's
Oh, that's awesome.
lasered or...
Yeah, that doesn't look like it's. Yeah, it feels. I don't know how that works though. Do you spray a coating on, or
Could be.
you remember the control system?
For what?
The control software.
Oh, I can't remember what it's called. Busy Bee? Something like that. Sounds great. A lot of the Wall-E builder people use it. It's got facial recognition with remote control, and it can do some like canned routines. Those look really nice.
Jug, you come from that? Jug, come. Jug, come. Come.
This one's from Sessums.
Here you go, say hi. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy.
Another one of his arm side pieces. Looks like they face that at an angle, which is pretty interesting.
Are we going to try to like share a list of this too?
Yeah, and a lot of people sent pictures
Yeah.
and videos, so we'll do something with that too.
We have a main Johnny 5 page on NYCCNC, and give us some time, but once this is all done, we'll put a Google Sheet link up to everybody that contributed as a thank you and to share their info, who they are. Some folks have done videos or photos or Instagram stuff, which is awesome.
Rocky's EDM.
Oh, I'm excited for this.
Yeah, I think these are some more shoulder parts. Got a shirt, a couple shirts. Ooh, yeah, those look good. That's I think they wire EDM these out and then drilled and tapped some small holes in the sides. This goes to the center of his shoulder tube right here for his head to pivot off of the neck. They're able to get that nice sharp corner with the wire EDM. Next up, Mitchell Brower.
Ed, they want to see the shirts.
Oh, okay.
I can open them. Oh, yeah, you got it. Is this the Wire Rockies?
Yeah.
Oop, wrong one. Quite awkward. Everything's backward.
Stage left. It's like more, probably upper arm side pieces here. Yeah, what we've got here so far is maybe a quarter or a third of the total collaborator parts. So,
is that right?
Yeah, we'll probably be doing a few more of these. So, letter. Next up, Peyton Dean, Brick Tactical. Been enjoying the podcast, by the way. I hope the comically large box was intentional for this, this part. Okay. Next up, this one's from Dynamic Balance Machine.
Shout out to Roland for the super chat throwing in. Thank you. There are analogies being made in the comments section to a baby shower. The baby shower will not occur until the lightning storm.
Okay, I think this is center section of his neck pivot mechanism.
Who's that from?
That is from Dynamic Balance Machine.
Sweet. Nice ID work.
Yeah, take some bearings. I think it was pretty tight tolerance on those. All right, I guess let's do the little shank here from Alec Steele.
So the story with Alec was, I was talking to him and he absolutely said he would participate, but he's a blacksmith and there aren't a lot of parts in J5 that are blacksmithy. But Johnny 5 does have a tool carousel, and to us a knife is a tool, not a weapon, and certainly Johnny 5 is much more about peace than he is war. And so for us, the thought of Alex Steele being able to kind of have his artistic freedom to make something that's a tool was perfect fit.
Yeah, we were okay straying from originality a little bit on the tool changer. It's gives us freedom to include more people.
We also have a shout out to Ernie Peters, who is currently at the hospital with his wife, who is in labor as he's watching this. You're the man.
Priorities.
Hope all goes well, I should say as well, to you and your wife and your newborn.
Haven't seen that corrosion paper before.
Like a VCI?
Yeah, that is gorgeous. Look at that.
Oh, look at
Check out
that.
the Damascus.
Holy cow. Oh, that is awesome.
Beautiful.
It's actually really light and beautiful. See if we get the lighting on.
You have to remember, in Short Circuit 2, he joined a street gang, so it's not completely...
Los Locos?
Yeah, it's not completely...
Shout out to Michael Shortino. Thank you for the super chat. Can you guys see the Damascus? I don't know if the webcam kind of shows up the detail of that. We'll throw We'll do it. You know what we'll do? We'll do an Instagram photo of all the parts.
Oh, yeah.
After this,
That looks fantastic.
to try to show some of the detail and better quality. I'll have Julie set up the parts for a good Instagram.
All right. We have left a couple big boxes.
Sweet. Coming down home stretch.
Richie Merlo.
If you guys like this, which I'm enjoying this, we will do this again. We basically waited for about a month to get all the parts coming in, but like Ed said, this is probably only a third of the parts that we've collaborated with folks on.
Yeah.
So we'll do this again. It's awesome.
Okay, looks like some sheet metal parts for his upper torso.
If anybody really wants to make another part, you could make a Nova sign, Nova Laboratories, or you could make us a snowblower with your mother in it as well.
Yep, these are lower stiffener panels for his
look at that.
middle torso. Yeah.
On press brake?
Yeah, I
Or
think so.
bed?
Yep.
Yeah, look at that. Awesome.
You guys can see something like that. And the last one, Dennis Shell.
Mother-in-laws are acceptable for the snowblower. People are asking about parts. We really don't have more parts for this, do we?
No.
Yeah.
No, it's
Folks, sorry, we did our best to try to advertise and market that we were opening this up to collaborators. Literally all the parts are taken or signed for, but we will do this again. I was totally blown away. So whether we build another robot, who knows what, we will absolutely do this because it's awesome.
Looks like we got a mirrored set of skins for one of his upper arms. Cool. Maybe we can start doing some live assembly here. We've seen some stuff that goes together. Yeah, those will go
That's awesome.
out like that with some of these in between. Form. I like how aerospacey these arms construction is. Be fun to build. All right, that's all there is for now.
Awesome.
Thanks, guys.
Assuming that we get parts in from collaborators, we're going to try to assemble him by the end of the year.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're shooting for, having at least the mechanical bits of them done. He has a lot of, cosmetic shell pieces that we might not get to yet. There's a lot of surfacing and stuff, but the core of him, we should be able to meet that deadline, yeah?
Yeah, awesome. So that's the plan. I mean, it's not a hard deadline, and obviously with the holidays, a lot of folks are asking, how do you do it all? I don't know, we just do it. Like, it's not I would say we're not a particularly stressful shop. Things go wrong, we have mistakes, we try to balance it all. But the one thing is, Thanksgiving and then Christmas travels, inevitably that takes up some time, but if we get the parts in, I think the camera just shut off. We just lost our, it's okay, Ed. Just move this back. Sorry guys, our DSLR just shut up on us. You're in it, awkward. We're now awkwardly crowding around the webcam. Yeah, this is weird. Thank you to everybody who joined in. Somebody just said to throw out a survey or like an email sign-up list for future collaborations. That is a great idea. We'll get on that. Otherwise, folks, take care. See you soon.